food cow. I don't do them. I don't boil them. I don't wash them. I don't slice them. One cook big pot spinach. Guys, we'll be putting water in this our dry. Now our okazi is our eru. When they cook eru. So my people, we get our, and then we have our, you know this kind of pepper. Oh, this pepper, I just boil them. Country pepper, I just boil them. Then we have our towel meat. We have our towel. Then we have our spinach. We have our pepper, normal pepper. We guys, we're going to put this our pepper when we don't ready. So we will do now the fresh spinach. Okay, my people. So we will wash our egg, our smoked fish. Yes. Then we have our red oil. I ain't say cold dinner, so I don't put that for microwave. Maybe. When I know that my people will glad to do it because my egg will. They love egg with these children. They like them, so they go pass. Guys, so guys, we're going to cut our spinach with a slicer. I don't wash them 2 times, guys. Let's see. See our spinach, guys. Fresh. This is our dry fish. We cover them. Warm water. This is our dry fish. Okay, our spinach. Ready. Don't cover your pot, Don't cover your pot where you cook it. You go cover. You go put salt. You go put pepper so that the spinach will be done with pepper.